I think we had a fantastic year that's gone by. So this is 3 years in a row we have grown on double-digit revenue numbers. We closed the quarter in a muted 2% growth for the quarter, but for the overall year, if you really look at it, it's a 21% constant currency growth from last year. What is even more interesting is that our digital revenues have actually gone up by 31% on a year-on-year basis. So we are investing in the right places, we are invested with the right customers and the verticals that we are focused in, and that is resulting into growth. This quarter, we are also very excited to announce 2 large deals, one in manufacturing area and one more in insurance and reinsurance area, with a cumulative net new revenues of upwards of $100 million. So yeah, these will drive up the growth in the subsequent quarters for the company.